Welcome to this quick guide. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to find the Clinic Finder by Affordable Hearing Aids, a simple tool built to help you connect with trusted hearing care services without any hassle. Affordable Hearing Aids developed the Clinic Finder so you can save time searching for reliable clinics. Instead of digging through endless websites, the Clinic Finder brings all the information together in one easy place. Here's how it works. First, visit the Affordable Hearing Aids website. On the homepage, you'll see a clear navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Clinic Finder. Click on it, and that's where your search begins. Inside the Clinic Finder, you'll discover a full list of hearing clinics, organized by location and services offered. Whether you need a routine checkup, advanced hearing aid fitting, or specialized ear care, the tool guides you directly to the right providers. The real advantage is speed. The Clinic Finder is designed to be quick and user-friendly. With just a few clicks, you can filter results, view contact details, and even get directions to the clinic nearest to you. Plus, the platform includes helpful extras like service descriptions, patient support links, and updates on the latest hearing health resources. It's more than a directory, it's a reliable guide to making informed choices. To recap, just head to the Affordable Hearing Aids website, click Clinic Finder, and explore the options available. In minutes, you'll find the care you need. That's the fastest way to find the Clinic Finder by Affordable Hearing Aids. Start today and take a smart step toward better hearing.